A Dubai-based retailer named Shaladigi has posted on its Facebook page a new teaser video of the iPhone 16 Pro has been leaked. The video shows that the iPhone 16 Pro may launch in a new color option, probably a coffee-like color scheme and possibly improvements to the camera system. Let's dive into this leak, but before we proceed, hit the follow button to stay tuned for future updates. Apple plans to announce the iPhone 16 series at its Girl Time event on September 9th. Every year, Apple launches unique colors for its Pro series. Recent leaks suggest that this year will be no different. Some reports speculate that the new color could be called Gin Thai, while others consider it to be a brown color. However, a Sharedigi video suggests that the iPhone 16 Pro could come in brown. Although the video doesn't offer many details, but it does show a triple camera array emerging from a coffee cup. Although the camera module isn't entirely brown, but previous iPhone models have used a two-tone design. The camera area contrasts with the rest of the device. The video first focuses on the coffee cup, then show the camera array. This could indicate an upgrade to the camera setup. Rumors suggest that the iPhone 16 Pro could feature an improved telephoto lens. Some reports claim it will have 5x zoom capability. The zoom effect in the video could also suggest that the macro photography features offered by the iPhone 13 Pro series will be improved. Although Apple has not confirmed these details, but the Glow Time event is coming soon. Confirmed, iPhone 16 Pro features will be revealed soon. In addition, tech insider Amcoin is also on his X account shared the same video. This raises questions about whether the Dubai Zero Ingari movie was intentionally leaked or foreshadows discussions about the new iPhone 16 Pro Max colors and camera upgrades. Famous leaker Major Bell is also on his X social media account. A design based on the iPhone 16 series, design sketches has been shared. Possible official colors for MagSafe cases includes black, light blue, light pink, dark blue, and purple. By the way, do you use MagSafe cases? Please let us know in the comments section. In addition, Apple recently announced a major partnership with OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, to enhance Apple's smart capabilities. The partnership is expected to bring AI improvements to the iPhone 16. However, Angelo Zeno, a technical analyst at CF Research, pointed out these improvements will be a gradual process and not a major one-time change. Zeno highlights the AI features of the iPhone 16, including improvements to Siri, which will evolve gradually. Some of these more advanced features may not be fully implemented until 2025. I suspect we may have to wait until the iPhone 17 series is released. Only then can you witness the true potential of Apple's intelligence. Thanks for watching with you. Galaxy Go.